In this video, I'll show you how to make a repository private on GitHub. First, sign into your GitHub account and open the repository you want to make private. Next, click the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. Scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section near the bottom of the page. Now, find the Change Repository Visibility option and click Change Visibility. When the menu appears, select Change to Private. After that, GitHub will ask you to confirm the change. Read the information carefully, then type the repository name if prompted. Click I understand, change repository visibility to complete the process. Finally, once the repository is private, only you and the collaborators you've invited will be able to access it. If you need to share the repository with someone else later, you can invite them as a collaborator from the repository settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a repository private on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.